The most cutting-edge new vehicles are already jam-packed with features like touchscreens, wireless connectivity, and mobile device charging ports, not to mention state-of-the-art sound systems. But that doesn't mean more can't be added in the future. A wide variety of accessories available may make any car, new off the assembly line or in need of some TLC, feel more up to date. Or, we've gathered some of the best options to add extra special touches to your car. Hey everybody, welcome to the Tech Gadgets channel. In today's video, we are discussing some amazing car gadgets in 2023. Stay tuned till the last gadget. Number 6. Amazon Echo Auto, the best smart speaker add-on. The car is like an in-vehicle Echo. You'll appreciate having an Echo in your car if you already have one and use it frequently at home. You will need Bluetooth or an aux-in plug in your vehicle to hear Alexa's voice and any streaming music over your car speakers. It's also worth noting that Alexa relies on your phone's internet connection, although the Auto is more handy than using Alexa through your phone's app, because it's hands-free and you don't need to wake your phone first, which is illegal while driving in some countries. The power of the Auto is not in its voice navigation capabilities, but rather in the convenience of having Alexa on board for everyday tasks like playing music, making reminders, chatting with friends and family, and controlling smart home devices. It's convenient to have Alexa turn on the heat before you get home. Number 5. The iOttie Velox MagSafe Charger, best for MagSafe charging. There isn't much of a selection for people who have an iPhone 12 or later and wish to use the magnets on the back with a car mount. Although the iOttie Velox isn't MagSafe certified, it does provide a safe way to install and charge your iPhone wirelessly. Qi wireless charging at 7.5 watts is used for this instead of MagSafe's 5 watts. However, even Belkin's mount only adds an extra 2.5 watts. The prongs securely hold almost any air vent and allow you to mount your phone either vertically or horizontally, depending on how you choose to view your sat-nav program. A layer of aluminum lies beneath the plastic, aiding in heat dissipation, especially important in the summer while using a sat-nav app and charging at the same time. The only minor complaint is the non-detachable captive USB-C cord, which could become an issue in the event of cable damage. The bundled USB-C charger isn't great for cars, which normally feature the older USB-A connectors, but it does work with the 12 watts accessory socket. Or, if your car's accessory socket is currently occupied by a dashcam, you may simply purchase a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Number 4. BESTEK Inverter, best for power on the go. These days, it's common to locate a USB connector in a vehicle, but a standard 3-pin UK power outlet is a rarity. Therefore, an inverter is required to power devices that cannot be charged by USB, such as a laptop or a DSLR battery. These devices allow you to use an outlet in your automobile that only accepts 240 volts AC power, or 110 volts for US models. As its name implies, the BESTEK 300W inverter is capable of producing 300 watts of power. On the other hand, you'll need to use clips to connect anything with a wattage rating above 150 watts to the battery in your vehicle. You could run a laptop, TV, and even a small camping fridge on that. But before you plug it in, be sure you know how much power it needs. Travel hair dryers, straighteners, and flat irons all require too much energy to be practical. There are 2 USB ports, each with 2.4 amps of electricity, enough to charge 2 iPads simultaneously, in addition to the mains plug, 1 on the UK model, 2 on the US version. The inverter may be turned off without disconnecting it from the car's accessory socket, thanks to a switch on the back, and the internal fan operates quietly. Alternatively, for the same price, you can get a grey model that claims to be an Amazon brand, albeit it is not identical to this one. Number 3. Nondazeus Best Car Management Tool. Check out the Nondazeus if you're interested in VIOFO's location tracking features, but can't quite justify the service's monthly fee. At first look, it appears to be a standard USB car charger that operates via the vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter. The ports are reversible and may charge 2 devices at once, ensuring that neither you nor your passenger will be left waiting. However, there is intelligence lurking beneath the surface, enabling access to a variety of useful functions. If you're the forgetful type, the companion app will help you find your car and even let you share its whereabouts, in case you need to pick someone up from a specific spot. There are parking meter notifications you can set up to prevent yourself from incurring a fine if you forget to feed the meter. In addition, the Zeus can check the condition of your car's battery and alert you if there's a problem. In addition, you may keep tabs on trips and the kilometers covered. 2. LANMODO VAST, best for night vision. Night vision is not standard in most vehicles and is only available as a pricey add-on to luxury vehicles. The LANMODO VAST makes it possible to retrofit any vehicle with night vision for significantly less than what it would cost to buy a new one from the manufacturer. It has a camera with a Sony sensor and a 28mm lens, and an 8.2-inch 1080p screen, albeit not a 16:9 aspect ratio. This provides a clear, magnified image of the road ahead, improving visibility in low light or rain. Contrary to certain other standard safety features, you will not be alerted to the presence of a pedestrian should you happen to observe one. This, however, also ensures that there will be no erroneous alerts issued, as is occasionally the case with such systems. It comes with both a suction cup for attaching it to your windshield and a silicone base for placing it on your dashboard. The 3 adhesive pads included were necessary for testing purposes to prevent movement during severe braking and cornering. Cables to connect it to either the OBDII port or the car's 12-volt accessory outlet are provided. The cable also has a second camera input, which may be used to connect a camera to the back of the device. If you're interested in purchasing the 720p back camera, you'll need to shell out an additional $100 for a kit that includes it. If you use the suction cup mount instead of the base, you'll need to rotate the screen to adjust the brightness and contrast, switch between the front and rear cameras, and so on. To toggle between color and monochrome, press the other button. The screen is about as big as a standard rearview mirror, so it takes some practice to glance at it safely while driving. Even with street lights, the VAST improves nighttime visibility in many vehicles. However, it may not be necessary if your vehicle already has extremely bright headlights. The screen must be roughly parallel to your windscreen because the camera can only be turned so far before it is no longer facing the road, which is the only real drawback. LANMODO claims this is on purpose to prevent a camera shake that could result in a blurred image. Poor construction, including cheap-feeling buttons and a suction mount, is to be expected at this budget point. Please be aware that the VAST is merely a monitor and not a video recording dashcam. And number 1, VIOFO A129 Duo Best Value Dashcam. A dashcam is the best automotive accessory you can buy. It keeps recording video the entire time you're behind the wheel, so you'll have solid evidence in the event of an accident. The VIOFO A129 Duo is our top selection since it provides high-quality images alongside other useful features, including a rear camera at a reasonable price. Use the hardwire device, which draws electricity from your car's fuse box, to enable parking mode and record incidents even while you're not in the vehicle. It's not as hard as you might think, but you might want to hire a professional to set that up for you. Don't forget to check out the Tech Gadget channel for more videos of amazing techs and gadgets. See you in the next video!